Hello viewers, welcome to UVol, the channel for database and data professionals. In this video, I am going to show you how to install Oracle VirtualBox Guest Edition on a virtual machine with Windows operating system installed. So viewers, VirtualBox Guest Edition is a piece of software that comes with the Oracle VirtualBox Virtual Machines package. The VirtualBox Guest Edition is a very useful and important component for the virtual machines, as that gives an enhanced integration between the host and the guest in terms of better graphics, file and folder sharing, keyboard sharing, and mouse pointer movement, etc. So let's see how to install this excellent piece of software in a 64-bit Windows 10 virtual machine for a better graphical user interface of the VM. This is the interface of my Windows 10 VM where we are going to install the Guest Edition. And here we can see that we are getting the interface of our virtual machine in a much smaller window. And even if we maximize the size of the parent window, we are still getting a resized version of the guest Windows machine. To fix this issue, actually, we have to install VirtualBox Guest Edition. And to do that, we will click on the devices menu here, and then we will select this Insert Guest Editions CD image. Once we select that, we should be able to see the CD image of the VirtualBox Guest Edition software is attached to our CD drive. To access that, I will start the Windows Explorer, and from there I will go to the CD drive. And as we can see in the CD DVD image, at the D drive of the VM has changed to VirtualBox Guest Edition. And it will give us the list of all the files available. And from the list of files, I'm going to select the VBox Windows Editions. This is the 64-bit version of the Guest Edition software. If your Windows VM platform is 32-bit, then you have to select the one below that, that is this one. So double click on that and it will ask for a confirmation, and we will press the yes button. Click next. The space requirement is just 600 KB. It is selecting C:program files location. You can change it, or if you are okay with it, let it select the default location and press the next button and then install button. It will be quick, maybe less than a minute. I will pause the video and I'll come back once the installation is completed for the Guest Edition. As you can see, the Guest Edition installation is complete and it's asking to reboot the virtual machine. So the reboot now option is selected and I will press the finish button. Let it reboot first. Then we have to make a few more changes before getting the full screen for the virtual machine. And the reboot completed, we need to log in. To do that, I will right click on the button at the bottom right corner of the virtual machine with the down arrow image on it, as this button gives us the options to send keystrokes or key combinations to the virtual machine. So I'll right click and select the Insert Ctrl-Alt-Delete option, which will give us the login screen, and put the password for the admin user that you set earlier. And we just logged in. Now I'm going to right click on the desktop of the virtual machine, then go to Display Settings, and then under the display settings, I will select a resolution which is higher than the current one, say 1280 by 960. And then I will press the Keep Changes button. Close this display settings window. Let's resize the window and then maximize it again. And we are able to see the full screen of the virtual machine. It is still in a window, but you are able to see it is as a full screen window. But if you want to get rid of this window and to see it as a full screen in the monitor, then all you need to do is to go to the View menu, and then you need to select Full Screen Mode. Make a note of the toggle button, that is Host button, and the F. For your VirtualBox installation, you should have a Host button. In my case, that is the Windows button itself. I'll be able to come back to the Windows screen from the full screen. So first, let's select this Full Screen Mode. And as we can see, it is the full screen in the monitor. And if we want to come back, you can use the host key and the F button combination, that is Windows F, and it brought back the full screen window. So now our virtual machine With VirtualBox Guest Edition installed, and along with a better graphical user interface, you can also explore other enhanced features that came along with the Guest Edition. So viewers, please provide your feedback in the comment section of the video and hit the like button if you found it useful. That will mean a lot to me and help grow this channel.